Prime Minister Modi to grace Golden Jubilee celebration of the North Eastern Council at Shillong tomorrow to inaugurate various projects. Meghalaya BJP gears up to welcome Prime Minister Modi, takes out massive bike rally for development. Meghalaya BJP holds mass joining program in Garo Hills. Meghalaya BJP organizational in charge Rupam Goswami attends. And Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates football stadium at PA Sangma Sports Complex in Tura. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will attend the Golden Jubilee celebration of the North Eastern Council in Shillong and also address a public meeting at the Polo Grounds. He is also slated to inaugurate some important projects of the region, including Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, dedicate 4G towers of Meghalaya, inaugurate NEC projects and Meghalaya state projects, and lay foundation stones for some projects. He will be accompanied by Union Home Minister, donor ministers, governors and chief ministers of the Northeast states and central ministers belonging to the Northeast region. The Shillong City unit of the BJP organized a bike rally on Saturday which started from the Fire Brigade Yoringheb ground and culminated at the state party office at Beaver Road after traversing through the city. The rally was flagged off by the party state president Ernest Mauri and cabinet minister Sanbor Shulai, besides other senior functionaries. Talking to DD News Meghalaya, State BJP President Ernest Mauri said that the bike rally is being organized with the objective of raising awareness about the developmental work that has happened in Meghalaya because of the central government schemes brought by the Narendra Modi government, and appropriately the rally has been called Rally for Development.
The sign of welcome, and we as the party, in collaboration with the people of Meghalaya, we welcome our Honorable Prime Minister tomorrow, his program here in Shillong, and we want that we should have more development in terms of infrastructure, that is road, hospital, medical college, engineering college. We all want for that.
Bharatiya Janata Party today organized a massive mass joining program at Resu Belpara in Garo Hills on the eve of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the state scheduled for tomorrow. Senior party leader and Assam BJP's spokesperson Rupam Goswami, who is also the organizational in charge of the party in Meghalaya, attended the mass joining program in the presence of state BJP leaders, including some of those who recently joined the party like Benedict Marak, Dipul Marak and Sukharam Sangma. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated the much-awaited football stadium at the PA Sangma Sports Complex, Dakopgre in Tura. The upgradation of the stadium, which has a great historical significance for having witnessed the Tura Football League and Subroto Cup, has been a mammoth undertaken by the state government. The stadium is a technological marvel, being the country's largest pre-engineered composite football stadium with a sizable seating capacity of 9,500. The stadium is part of an equally magnificent sports complex built at a cost of Rs 127.7 crore, which is also nearing completion. The football stadium and the two indoor stadiums cover an area of over 17,000 square meters. Nongpo MLA Meral Bond's aim felicitated 3 village organizations for their outstanding performance in the National Rural Livelihood Mission, or NRLM. The villages are Kintu Plang Village Organization from Maulong Village, Ya Sok Tilang Village Organization from Maulong Village, and Ya Sok Tilang Village Organization from Nyang Barilom Village under the Nongpo constituency. Cash award and mementos were awarded to all the leaders and the members of the 3 village organizations in the felicitation program. SAME urged the leaders and the members of the village organizations to continue doing their best in serving the society and the community in sync with the aim of the NRLM to empower women and enable them to come out of poverty.
Jadi school humidity bagaimana cepat, bagaimana cepat. Ini beliau yang price, ini beliau yang teruskan. Hari mentah dokter. Jadi pendorong ya di student di school kebuan cepat. Hari exam ya dokter. Apalagi kena school lah dari angka SSLC dan HSLC, metric dan atmosfer beliau awal. Karena kini kita dapat kembali. Dijauh di umat dari kembali, nama bagi susu yang dia, bah ikut diksi ini pas bahagia.
The Governor of Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya, Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, retired, addressed the officers of the Indian Armed Forces at Eastern Air Command Headquarters, Upper Shillong, Meghalaya. The Governor emphasized on good civil-military relations and facilitating development of the Northeast region. He said that better bonhomie between the armed forces and the civil population will instill a sense of security among the masses, particularly in view of the belligerent attitude of our neighboring countries. And now here is the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 18.9 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 7.2 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 53%, while in the evening it stood at 76%. The forecast: weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi to grace Golden Jubilee celebration of the Northeastern Council at Shillong tomorrow to inaugurate various projects. Meghalaya BJP gears up to welcome Prime Minister Modi, takes out massive bike rally for development. Meghalaya BJP holds mass joining program in Garo Hills. Meghalaya BJP organizational in charge Rupam Goswami attends. And Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates football stadium at the PA Sangma Sports Complex in Tura. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us, and from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.
The Navy